Introducing the HiBREW H10B coffee machine and G3A coffee grinder. Today, we're going to make a few special cold drinks that are as beautiful as they are refreshing. We'll start by grinding our coffee beans using the G3A grinder. This grinder ensures a uniform grind, giving us the perfect base for our drinks. Once the beans are ground, we'll turn on the H10B coffee machine to clean the brewing head, ensuring every cup is as fresh as possible. Next, we adjust the coffee temperature to 25 degrees for cold brewing, perfect for a chilled drink. We'll also set the double cup volume to 130 milliliters for the ideal coffee-to-milk ratio. As the coffee is brewing, you'll notice the silky smooth discharge, a sign of a perfect extraction. Now, let's get our cup ready. First, add some ice cubes to keep the drink cool. Then, layer in blue butterfly tea, which gives a stunning color. Next, pour in some milk to create a creamy base. Finally, top it off with the freshly brewed coffee, watching as the colors blend into a beautiful, layered drink. Your vibrant and refreshing cold brew is now ready. Enjoy this colorful creation.